Control nonverbal cues. You communicate more nonverbally than verbally. Did you know that? So be careful that you don't send nonverbal cues that communicate exclusion. Examples might include rolling your eyes, fidgeting or drumming your fingers, looking bored or away, or allowing yourself to be distracted in the middle of a conversation. Your team members will read your body language as much as they listen to what you say. Now, there have been study after study done in this area, and we know that based on total communication, most of that total communication is nonverbal. A lesser portion of it is verbal. So you need to be paying attention to your nonverbal cues, to all of your body language, to make sure that you're communicating inclusion to those with whom you're interacting. Now, here's the challenge with this. What if you don't know that you're sending nonverbal cues that are not communicating inclusiveness? And often we don't know what we don't know, right? We have blind spots. So here's my suggestion. Go to someone that you really trust, a trusted advisor, a friend, maybe a family member, and ask that person, what do I do? What nonverbal cues do I communicate sometimes that are not very good, that would communicate exclusion, or that I'm not with you, I'm not focused, I'm not paying attention, I don't care about what you're saying? And let them give you some feedback, because you will have blind spots. And that's the way to find those blind spots. Go find someone that is willing to give you honest, candid feedback about your nonverbal cues. And then you can take some corrective action. You can get better.